Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope that you are healthy and excited to learn something new today. Today, we are going to learn about operations of whole numbers. Please prepare your mathematics textbook and stationery. Before we start our lesson, let us pray together. Blessed God, let your blessing go with me today and grant that I may be obedient to my teachers and may learn with pleasure whatever I am taught. Amen. In the last meeting, we discussed about multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000, and their multiples. Today, we are going to learn about dividing by 10, 100, 1,000, and their multiples. Before we start our discussion about division, I want to ask you some questions to review the last materials. What is 6 times 10? It is 60. Fantastic. The digit remains the same, but 10 is appended at the end. How about 6 times 100? It is 600. Great. The digit remains the same, but 2 zeros are appended at the end. Then, what is 6 times 1,000? 6,000. Well done. The digit remains the same, but 3 zeros are appended at the end. How about 7 times 20? 140. Good job. I know that you can do it. Next, what is 7 times 200? 1,400. Wow, nice. The last, what is 7 times 2,000? 14,000. Well done. The two numbers are first multiplied before appending 1 or 2 or 3 zeros at the end. Good job. Okay, now let's start our discussion about dividing by 10, 100, 1,000, and their multiples. Please open your math textbook, page 27. Are you ready? Good. By the end of this lesson, you are expected to be able to identify patterns and follow the right procedures in division to divide a whole number up to 4 digits by 10, 100, 1,000, and their multiples. Let's start with these three. Look at the first one, 360 divided by 10. Do you still remember how to divide a number like this? Good! I know you remember and you can do it. Let's divide the number, everyone. How many tens does it take to make 3? Fantastic! The answer is none. And that is because the first digit is less than the divisor. We cannot divide 3 by 10. So, what should we do? Let's group the first two digits together so that we have 36. Well, next, how many tens will make 36? You're right, 3. Hence, we will put a 3 in our answer line. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. And then 36 minus 30 gives us a remainder of 6. Now, we only have one digit left to divide. So, we bring down a copy of the third digit to combine with the remainder. Now, how many tens will make 60? Great! It's 6. 6 times 10 is equal to 60, which leaves no remainder. Therefore, the answer is 36. Now, 1b. 84,000 divided by 100. Let's group first 3 digits together. Now, how many hundreds will make 840? It's 8. Good job. So we will put an 8 in our answer line. 8 times 100 is equal to 800, and then 840 minus 800 gives us a remainder of 40. Now we only have 2 digits left to divide. So we bring down a copy of the third and fourth digit to combine with the remainder. Now, how many hundreds will make 4,000? Great, it's 40. 40 times 100 is equal to 4,000, which leaves no remainder. Therefore, the answer is 840. How about C? 62,000 divided by 1,000. Do the same way as the previous ones, and you will get 62 as the result. Now, dividing by multiples of 10. What is 40 divided by 20? You can use either the first or the second method to find the answer. The first method, 20 has 1 0, so it must be a multiple of 10. 20 is equal to 2 times 10 or 10 times 2. Hence, using the first method, we can break down 20 into 2 times 10. Then, we divide 40 by 2. What is 40 divided by 2? It's 20. Great. Next is the time to divide it by 10, and that will give us 2. With the second method, first we divide it by 10, and after that we divide it by 2. What is 40 divided by 10? It is 4. Nice. Next, we divide 4 by 2. What is the result? 2. So, we have the same result. Next, what is 2,200 divided by 200? The first method, 200 has 2 zeros, so it must be a multiple of 100. 200 is equal to 2 times 100 or 100 times 2. Hence, using the first method, we can break down 200 into 2 times 100. Now, we divide 2200 by 2 first. What is 2200 divided by 2? It is 1100. Great! And then we divide it by 100. And that will give us 11. Using the second method, first we divide it by 100 and after that we divide it by 2. What is 2200 divided by 100? It is 22. Great. 22 divided by 2 is equal to 11. We have the same result, right? Okay, the last one. What is 8,000 divided by 2,000? The first method, 2,000 has 3 zeros, so it must be a multiple of 1,000. 2,000 is equal to 2 times 1,000 or 1,000 times 2. Hence, using the first method, we can break down 2,000 into 2 times 1,000. Then, we divide 8,000 by 2 first. What is 8,000 divided by 2? It is 4,000. Great. Next, we divide it by 1,000 and that will give us 4. Using the second method, first we divide it by 1,000 and after that we divide it by 2. What is 8,000 divided by 1,000? It is 8. Exactly. Next, we divide 8 by 2. What is the result? Yes, 4. We have the same result, don't we? Good. Do you understand so far? Well, this is the summary of this lesson. If you divide a number by 10, the digit remains the same, but the 0 in the one place is removed. If you divide a number by 100, the digit remains the same, but the 0 in the ones and tens places are removed. If you divide a number by 1,000, the digit remains the same, but the 3 zeros in the ones, tens, and hundreds places are removed. Next, if you divide a number by tens, hundreds, or thousands, there are two methods we can use. The first method, the two numbers are first divided by a number before dividing the answer by 10, 100, or 1000. The second method, the two numbers are first divided by 10, 100, or 1000 before dividing the answer by a number. To have a better understanding about this lesson, please do some practices in your math workbook on pages 16 and 18. Do your best, capture your work clearly, convert it into PDF, and send it to me through Google Classroom. Have a great time! Thank you!